Hello everyone, my name is Arya Kamandika Bagaskara. I am student of University of Darul Ulul Islam Sudirman Gupi, and I'm from Faculty of Economy and Business. And today I want to read a text about how to be a successful entrepreneur based on Khairul Tanjung story. How to be a successful entrepreneur. In general, people recognize figure of Khairul Tanjung, or more familiarly called CT, after he has been a successful entrepreneur. In fact, the success that he has achieved today is an accumulation of past that is the process by his life journey from childhood until today, which has filled with challenges and dynamics. The story of Khairul Tanjung becomes of Indonesia's most prominent and well-respected businessman is both endearing and inspiring. Khairul Tanjung's ability to succeed in today's Indonesia based on little more than hard work, loyalty, and keen eye for business opportunity will give her to be up and coming generation of Indonesia entrepreneurs. Love of city for Indonesia is always realized in the hard work real work, which can also be enjoyed by society at large. Because of the efforts, hard work, and persistence, City successfully created so many new business which are beneficial for himself, his family, and a lot of people. Moreover, he has created the employment opportunities for more than 75,000 employees and can raise the name of Indonesia in the international. The story of the journey of life si anak singkong can inspire the people of Indonesia, especially the younger generation. From Khairul Tanjung's The Way of Business, we will get some tips on how to become a successful entrepreneur. According to Citi, entrepreneur can be born and no lower on inherited. There are some tips which influence the business successfully as follow. 1. Start business by hard working, willingness, and integrity. An effort should be initiated, developed, and obtained through the hard working completely. Integrity and powered by ambition. Success cannot be achieved in an instant. It needs perseverance and integrity. In business, entrepreneurs apply the concept of the philosophy from known to be the great man. The concept became real because of the perseverance and hard working. Number 2, trust is a major capital. The figure of City is a King Midas in Greek mythology. Everything that he touched by his hands turned to be gold. The wisdom of this story is not about the confusion or complaint of the King Midas miracle because the food that was eaten changed into gold, but about the magic of Midas who could change everything into gold. In business, trust is the major capital. The existence of beliefs, morals, and idealism are important components in conducting business. Number 3, be optimistic. In the business is required a rational optimism and growing the optimistic spirit born from the way of looking at the better future. Rational optimism is created through a directional process based on comprehensive study, in-depth and scientifically responsible. According to the Vision of Indonesia 2030, Indonesia in 2030 will be the 5 major powers of the world. Per capita income of about $11,000 in the list of world top 10 tourist destination and the achievement of self-sufficiency in meeting domestic energy, and the inclusion of at least 30 companies into the Fortune Indonesia 500 companies on world. The future of world is Asia. 50% of the world economy will be controlled by Asia, as the essential key that are China and India. Everything is created through the synergy of components, businessmen, bureaucracy, and academics. To achieve it will be required the 3 conditions, namely strong national leadership, a conducive business climate, and a comprehensive energy policy. Number 4, extra caution. Be careful in taking the decision. Every decision will affect for the next business. The business must be managed carefully and responsibly. Accuracy is essential in making decisions. Number 5, speculate in taking the risk. Every action has the risk, and it is the same in business. To start the business, the entrepreneur has to speculate in taking the risk. Risk is the possibility of loss, which is unpredictable and unexpected. As a good entrepreneur is able to predict what will happen after taking the decision. Count the impact of the risk in every decision. 6. Recruit the qualified human resource. To establish a strong foundation in business in order to withstand the various threats, one of the tips is to recruit the best human resource which are qualified in the field. Nowadays, it is easy to get the qualified human resource, but it's quite difficult to find out the highest integrity or honesty. That is why it should be used a parameter in requirement of human resources. Number 7, create the new breakthrough and innovation. A good entrepreneur will try to realize the opportunities and that rise. Number 7, create the new breakthrough and innovation. A good entrepreneur will try to realize the opportunities that arise. The opportunity is not only sought but also created the opportunity, and that is the insight. A good entrepreneur has a keen eye for business opportunity. Innovation is necessary in order to always be able to fulfill and satisfy the needs of consumer. Number 8, share with others. Create a program for sharing with others. God has promised in Quran that will multiply the reward of people who give the charity. The parable of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed which grows 7 years in every year, becoming 100 grains. Allah multiplies the reward for whom He wills. Quran Surat Al-Baqarah chap number 261. Indonesia needs a lot of entrepreneurs who are nationalist, populist, nationalist because of the humanity dirty, so no more man-made poverty. Okay guys, thanks for watching and goodbye.